Hello, I'm Seema from Allo Basics. I welcome you all for the next video on wave optics. In this video, we'll discuss primary and secondary sources of light. We are aware of sources of light, but today we are going to discuss sources of light in different aspect. अब इस एस्पेक्ट में हम क्या सोच करने वाले हैं, लाइट को हम प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सोर्सेस में कैटेगराइज करेंगे। अब प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सोर्सेस को कैटेगराइज करने के बाद प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सोर्सेस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस on the basis of comparison. That will help us to understand it more easily. So, start with primary sources of light. What are primary sources of light? Primary sources of light are those sources which emit their own light. खुद का लाइट देता है उसे कहते हैं प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ लाइट। अगर प्राइमरी सोर्स खुद का लाइट देता है तो सेकेंडरी सोर्स क्या है? सेकेंडरी सोर्स वो है which is not producing its own light but it reflects or scatters received light from some other source. मतलब इसका खुद का लाइट नहीं है, लेकिन लाइट जो आया उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करके या स्कैटर करके वो लाइट दे रहा है। अब सेकेंडरी सोर्स लाइट तो दे रहा है बट इट इज नॉट हैविंग इट्स ओन लाइट। अब इसको थोड़ा और डिटेल में समझने के लिए हम इसके एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं। जब एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर करेंगे तो शुरू में प्राइमरी सोर्स के एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। अब ये एग्जाम्पल भी उसके सोर्स के टाइप में कैटेगराइज किए गए हैं। टाइप में मतलब क्या है, किसकी वजह से हमें लाइट मिल रहा है, इसके ऊपर ये बेस्ड है। सो फर्स्ट वी आर कंसिडरिंग दैट light we are getting due to temperature or due to heat, or we say that we are getting light as well as heat. When we are getting both these things simultaneously, such type of sources we are discussing, and in that category sun, stars, flame, these are there. Sun, stars, flame, they give light, with that they are giving heat also, and due to that we consider these as high temperature primary sources of light. Now second type is the sources which are giving light due to effect of current, or as we are passing current through that, then only we get light. These sources are the sources which are based on effect of current. Now here these sources are giving you light only when current is flowing through it, otherwise they are not giving you light. And these examples are any bulb or tube light, TV, computer scene, etc. You can give number of examples for this which you are using at your home. Then third category is light we are getting due to chemical or nuclear reaction. And in this category, we can say examples, that is firecrackers, nuclear energy generators. All of you are familiar with firecrackers. फटाके तो सबको पता है, और फटाकों में केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है, इसी और केमिकल रिएक्शन होने के बाद उससे हमें लाइट मिलता है. So we say that firecrackers are due to chemical reaction. Even all of you are familiar with nuclear power plants. In these nuclear power plants, energy is generated with the help of nuclear reaction, or even light is generated with the help of nuclear reaction, and due to that such type of sources are said to be the sources based on chemical or nuclear reaction. This is about primary sources. Now what about secondary sources? Which are the examples of the secondary sources? Examples of secondary sources are moon, planet, or any opaque object. All of we are familiar that moon is not having its own light. But still we know that we get light from moon. Why we get light from moon? Because moon is reflecting light which it has received from sun. And due to that, we say that moon is secondary source of light. Similar is case with planets. And the important thing is that any opaque object is considered to be the secondary source of light, because we know that unless and until light is getting reflected from the object, we are not able to see that. Means that object is seen because of reflection of light. So we can consider it as secondary source of light. So this is about primary sources of light and secondary sources of light. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.